What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook profile has some issues. Now first thing you should do is to simply go and open Facebook application on your phone. Then what you should do right now is to simply go and click on your profile icon right here on the top right corner. Tap on it. Then you should go now to your profile, tap on your profile. Then once you open your profile, you will see down below right here that you have a message that says profile has some issues. So tap on it. It will show you exactly what are the actions that they have taken and why you have some issues. And now what you should do right now is to simply screenshot the issue that you have. Then what you should do right now is to simply go back to your settings, go into the menu and scroll down till you find this option right here, help and support. So click on help and support, then choose report a problem, and after that here you have scroll down again and click on continue report a problem. Now once you click on it, it will show you this message right here. Click on do not include, then scroll down till you find an option that says profile. So choose profile option, and now we have to upload the screenshot that you have captured using the phone. Then you should now describe here your issue, and after describing the issue in details, you should click on send report and Facebook support will fix the issue. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.